if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today, I have for you a Stitch Fix. This is a redo from the last box that I did. My stylist left the company, so I had to get a new stylist. I asked for a senior stylist, and so we will see when we dig into this. Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription box or a clothing styling service. You go on there, you fill out a profile, you get a stylist, you can leave notes for your stylist, blah, blah, blah. There's a playlist down below. My link is also down below. If you would like to use my link, you get $25 toward your first Stitch Fix, and I also get $25 toward my next fix. There is a giveaway going on that is linked down below, and there's other information down there too if you're interested. Let's get into Stitch Fix. So with Stitch Fix, there is a styling fee. It depends on how long you've been a member. It could be $20 per fix, or you can pay, you can do the styling pass, which is $49 for the entire year. I happen to get the styling, I think it's called the styling pass, styler's pass, I don't know, style pass, there we go. And I pay $49 at the beginning of the year, and that $49 can be used toward any purchase throughout the entire year. But if you are doing the $20 a box styling fee, then you have to use that $20 for that box, or you lose your styling fee. It comes with a shipping mailer bag, so whatever you do not keep, you just throw it in there, put it back in the mail. You get a little note. And this is just, it shows you the things that you got, and it shows you different ways you could style that. I'll take a picture of this and put it up in the corner. And then you also get your invoice. Everything is listed out here. If you buy all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount. It looks like if I keep this entire fix, it will total $226.37. All right, let's get into these things. All right, so we have our little burrito here of clothing, and it looks like we also got some shoes. So let's get into it. So first we have the ABS Harson button-down blouse in a brown and a size small for $64. We also have the Madewell Alondra button detail mini skirt in a mustard in a size 4 for $79.50. And we also have the Isaac Mizrahi Shelby suede dress booty in a dark gray in a 7.5 for $99. I do like the shirt and skirt combo. I feel like the shirt might just be a little too small for me across the breast and the upper arms, and there's really no give in the material, so it just feels kind of restricting. I do like the print, and other than that aspect, I do like the way it fits. The skirt is also really cute. I'm getting flashback vibes to the 70s. I think it has the cute button detail I like. I like the pocket detail. And I do think it's cute. They will both go in the maybe pile. Not really keen on these booties. The heel is too thick, the heel is too short, and these just really aren't my style. So the shoes will be a no. Next we have the Leota Tabitha skirt in off-white and a small petite for $68. We also have the 41 Hawthorne Jared lace detail cap sleeve black and a small petite for $58. I actually really do like this shirt skirt combo. This is more of a date night outfit than the other one. The other one is more just a casual, laid back sort of a date night. But if I'm doing a casual date night, I would much rather just wear jeans. I do like the lace detailing in this shirt. I don't have anything in my collection that is like this. And the same with this skirt. I don't actually have anything like this in my collection, so these are also a maybe. So in closing, I decided I am going to keep this shirt and this skirt. I think this more fits my date night aesthetic than the other, even though I did think that the other was really cute. I just think this top was just a little bit too small across the breasts and upper arms. And really neither the skirt nor the shirt had any leeway or move room. So I know as soon as I sat down in that skirt, I would be super uncomfortable. With this, the shirt does have stretch room. The skirt does have stretch room. And I just feel like it fits, I don't have an edge. I just feel like it fits my aesthetic a little bit more. So this shirt is $58 and the skirt is $68. That's like 100 and something. And that is all for this fix. See you next time. Bye.